Next one, determination of internal resistance. How to calculate the internal resistance? Resistance, the resistance R. Here, this is a external resistance R. So battery itself having some resistance, that is called internal resistance, small r. That is called internal resistance. So how to calculate the internal resistance? You see, you consider one circuit, one battery, that is EMF, that is cell. Connected this cell internal resistance R, this combined, actually this is combined. This is combined. The cell with internal resistance and connected with one voltmeter. This is a closed circuit. Another circuit, same only, it's a EMF and internal resistance of EMF. This is a common, only one part, common part. Then connected with resistance and voltmeter are parallel together. So here extra one resistance only, external resistance connected. So what happened? How to calculate internal resistance? See, the EMF of the cell, EMF E, is measured by the connecting the high resistance voltmeter across without connecting the external resistance R. Here there is no external resistance R. So since the voltmeter draws a very little current for the deflection. So this cell draws very little current for the deflection in a voltmeter. The current may be considered as the open. Now it is circuit is open because of here small current only is producing. So that current moving in that circuit. So this voltmeter slightly deflect. Hence the voltmeter reading gives. So voltmeter you can find the reading from voltmeter. The EMF of the cell you can easily calculate. So you can easily find. So this V is equal to EMF of the cell. You can easily calculate it in first circuit. But the external resistance R is included. Another circuit you see extra one resistance, external resistance connected. What happened? The circuit is potential difference across R, the equal to the potential difference V. Now this R here, the external resistance R is included in the circuit 2. The potential difference across R, this potential difference across R equal to the potential difference V. These two are equal potential. So the potential drop across the resistor R is, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. According to this area, the Ohm's law applied, V is equal to IR. This current passing through the circuit, so I current passing through the resistor, and V is the potential, so V is equal to IR by Ohm's law. The certain amount of voltage IR has been dropped across the internal resistance. Here some amount, the same current only passing through here. So this current passing through the internal resistance. So here potential difference V is equal to, here the potential difference V is equal to total EMF E minus small potential drop I into R. Here IR is the external. I into small r is the internal. So what happened here, you see, already some amount of EMF is there. Without resistance, E is equal to V. E is equal to V. By using another resistance, external resistance, what happened? So this value minus current into resistance, internal resistance will come. Current into resistance, very important formula. Directly you prepare. V is equal to E minus IR. E is a EMF, total EMF. Like this, see, V is equal to E. It's a first condition. There is no external resistance. If you use external resistance, some amount of current is produced. That is IR, that drop. So sum totally the total value minus that producing IR. So V is equal to E minus IR. Here you take this side, minus IR you take left hand side and V you take right hand side. So IR is equal to E minus V. Here you take equation number 1, here you take equation number 2. So 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1. See, IR divided by IR is equal to E minus V by V. Here I cancel. So want to find small r only. That is internal resistance. R is equal to R cross multiply. So E minus V by V into R. In that circuit, EMF known value. Suppose EMF is a known value, V is a potential value, and R is a resistance value, means you can easily calculate internal resistance of the given cell. By using this formula, you can easily calculate the internal resistance. Here, this is a very important formula, V is equal to EMF. First condition, V is equal to EMF without external resistance. If you use external resistance, what happens? Some amount of potential drop. That potential drop is nothing but I into R. So that IR. So what happens? You see, you take this side. So E minus V. So it's nothing but what? Total potential E minus V value what? IR. So this is a total potential in second circuit. So now you can easily calculate by internal resistance. So first two equation, dividing the first two equation, first and second equation, see II cancel, you will get R into, this R is cross multiply, E minus V by VR. This is a known value from circuit. You can easily, in practical, you can easily get the value from battery, and the potential voltmeter, potential value also you can easily find, and R is also you can easily find resistance. So substitute all the values, you will get internal resistance of the given cell. Very important 3-mark question.